everyone, welcome to Vedanti Max. I am your Gunapriya. So, in before section, I have asked one IIT question. So, the answer for this IIT question is the first. So, they have given 2 points. If you have to see the question, you go for the before section. In that, I have asked the IIT question. So, I will give in the description box. Okay. So, the question is the equation of circle passing through the points. They have given 2 points and having the smallest radius is. So, this is the question. So, which they have asked in 2012. So, for this 2 points, that means 1, 0 and 0, 1, right? So, these are the 2 points. Already, I have said a equation in before sections, that is x minus x1 x minus x2 plus y minus y1 into y minus y2 equals to 0. Okay, now we have to substitute. Let this is this x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. That means x minus 1 x minus 0 plus y minus 0. Why? Because here x minus 0 will become as x plus y into y minus 1 equals to 0. So, this is the IIT question. Minus x plus y square minus y equals to 0. So, x square plus y square minus x minus y equals to 0. So, I have given 4 options. This option is in the B. So, the answer for this is option B. Okay. Now, we will go for the exercise 1C of third Roman. Already we have discussed the first problem. Now, we will go for the second problem. So, our second problem they have given the line y equals to mx plus c and the circle x square plus y square equals to a square intersect at A and B. If AB equals to 2 lambda, then show that c square equals to 1 plus m square into a square minus lambda square. So, first what they have given? So, they have given 2 equations. That is, first one is a line. So, they have given one line. Another is one circle equation. Okay. That means they have given a circle equation and the line which is passing through A and B. That means a chord. Okay. That nothing but a chord. That means intersect at A and B. Already we know what is the chord. A line passing through here. The biggest chord is diameter. If it is passes through the center means it is diameter. If it passes to 2 points, that means A and B means that is nothing but chord. Already we know the chord formula. What's the chord of a circle? 2 root of r square minus d square. So here they have given that chord, that means AB equals to 2 lambda. In given question, they have given that chord equals to 2 lambda. That means they have given this. Okay. Now, to find out R and D, and we have to, first we have to find out R and D. Then we have to prove that equation. Okay. First, in the circle equation, what's the center? So, here no center. Why? Because here no G and F. So, center will be 0, 0. R equals to, here R square equals to A square. Why? Because we know the formula, right? X square plus Y square equals to R square. This is the standard form. Okay. R equals to A. Okay. We have find out the R value. Next, what we have to find out? We have to find out the D value. Already we know the distance formula. To find out here, this is the equation. From 1, that means from 1, let's this is 2. That means mx minus y plus c equals to 0. Center is nothing but x1 comma y1, right? So what's the distance formula? ax1 plus by1 plus c by root of a square plus b square. Okay. Now from this equation and the point, now substitute this. Means x1 comma y1 is 0 comma 0. Here I will write, here a equals to m, b equals to minus 1. Don't write minus y. Why? Because we are writing the coefficient of this y and x terms. Okay. C is nothing but c only. Next, substitute here. Okay. C equals to m into 0 plus b means minus 1 into 0 plus c by root of m square plus minus 1 whole square will become as 1. That means d equals to c by root of m square plus 1. We know that d and r. Now substitute in the equation. I will write here. Okay. 2 into root of given. That means given I will write here. Given chord equals to 2 lambda. Why? Because they have given 2 lambda. That means AB. We know the formula. Chord formula of a circle is, this is formula. Don't confuse why it came like this. Don't confuse here. 2 into root of r square minus d square is nothing but the chord formula. Okay. 2 get cancelled and r is nothing but a square minus this d. C square by, why? Because here root and square will get cancelled and equals to lambda. Squaring on both sides. This is nothing but squaring on both sides. M square plus 1 equals to lambda square. Okay, this a square minus lambda square equals to c square by m square plus 1. Now m square plus 1 into a square minus lambda square equals to c square. Okay, that only they have asked to show that c square equals to, that means 1 plus m square or 1 m square plus 1 is same only. A square minus lambda square. Okay, next we go for the second problem. Okay, our second problem is find, that means third problem. Third Roman, third problem. Okay, find the equation of circle with center. So they have given center minus 2 comma 3, cutting a chord length 2 units on 3x plus 4y plus 4 equals to 0. First, center. Center, what's the given center? Minus 2 comma 3. Then nothing but x1 comma y1. Okay, same as like before only, but they have changed the different model in the question. Length, that means chord length means that nothing but chord formula. These are given. R square minus equal to 2 on 3x 4y plus 4 equals to 0. This is an equation. So they have given one equation and chord and center. First, what we have to prove? We have to not prove. They asked to show that, no, sorry, they have asked to find out the equation from 1, 2 into root of r square minus d square, that equals to 2. 2 get cancelled and r square minus d square equals to 1. If root goes that side means it will become square. So 1 square will become as 1 only. Okay. From 1 we have got this r square minus d square equals to 1. Now from this, from 2, d equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c root of a square plus b square. That means a here is 3 into minus 2 plus b into 3 plus 4 by root of 3 square plus 4 square. That equals to minus 6 plus 12 plus 4 by, what's the value here? 9 plus 16 root. That equals to 10 by 5. D equals to 2. Now substitute the D value here. Let's think this is 3. Substitute D in 3. To understand, I have written this equation. Okay. R square minus 4 equals to 1. R square equals to 5. So R square equals to 5. What they have asked to find out the equation. We know that if they have, we know the center and R, there is a formula to find out the equation. What's the equation? Yes, this is the equation. X minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equals to R square. Now substitute. Now here this will be h comma k. Okay. That means minus 2 comma 3 will be h comma k here. For this equation, the centers will be h comma k and R equals to 5. Now substitute x plus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square equals to 5. Don't write 5 square. Here R square equals to 5. R square will be 5. Now by simplifying, you will get, now you have to simplify this. Okay. You have to simplify. Then you will get x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 8 equals to 0. Okay. Now we'll go for the fourth problem of the third Roman. Find the equation of tangent and normal at 3, 2 of a circle. So they have given one circle equation and they have asked to find out equation of tangent and normal. Already we have discussed like these problems. In which one? Yes. In first Roman, first and second rule, we have find out the equation of tangent and normal. But in this, they have given to find out both in one question only. That's it. Very simple. Okay. First, we will write the circle equation. Okay. From this, now find out this center. Is there center? Yes. Minus 1 by 2, 2f equals to minus 3, f equals to minus 3 by 2, c equals to minus 4. Okay. Now, first they have asked to find out the equation of tangent. Equation of tangent formula. x(x1) plus y(y1) plus g into x plus x1 plus f into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. But they have given another given. Okay. Now substitute this point in this equation. G means minus 1 by 2, x plus 3 minus 3 by 2, y plus 2 minus 4 equals to 0. Now, so 3x plus 2y minus x plus 3 okay, now take the LCM. 6x plus 4y minus x minus 3 minus 3y minus 6 minus 8 equals to 0. Don't confuse here, the 2 will be there, 2 will be goes that side means 0. So many students will get doubt. What happened 2? The 2 will go that side, that will become as 2 into 0 is 0. Okay. Now 6x, that means 6x minus x is 5x plus y minus 17. So this is the equation of tangent. Now we have to find out the equation of normal. What's the equation of normal formula? Y minus y1 equals to y1 plus f by x1 plus g into x minus x1. Same like that, you have to substitute this. Okay, then substitute y minus 2 equals to 2 minus 3 by 2 by 3 minus 1 by 2 into x minus 3. So y minus 2 equals to 4 minus 3 by 6 minus 1 by 5 x minus 3, that equals to 5y minus 10 equals to x minus 3. So x minus 5y plus 7 equals to 0. So this is equation of normal. Okay, we have find out this is the equation of tangent and this is the equation of normal. There is another method to find out the equation of normal. So this is the equation of tangent equation, right? This is the equation of tangent. So we have to convert this equation to a normal, means nothing but here x minus 5y. Why? Because it is perpendicular. So perpendicular to each other. The equation of tangent will be perpendicular, means nothing but normal equation only. So x minus 5y plus k. We know the points here. xy. What's the points? 3 minus 5 into 2 plus k equals to 0. So 3 minus 10 plus k equals to 0. K equals to 7. Now substitute this k in the normal equation. That's it. Or to find out equation of normal, you can directly write this equation of tangent and convert into a normal. That means perpendicular. This perpendicular means nothing but x minus. So here 5 is there, minus 5y. If it is in minus means you have to, here is minus means minus into minus. Okay, x minus 5y plus k. Okay, next we go for the fifth problem. Okay, our fifth problem is find the equation of tangent and normal at 1, 1 to the circle equation. So they have given one circle equation, same as like before problem only. First write the given what? 2x square plus 2y square minus 2x minus 5y plus 3 equals to 0. And point they have given, that means x1 comma y1. So first from 1 2g equals to, so from 1, so we have to say here circle equation means already I have said many times that x square coefficient equals to y square coefficient. It should be 1 only for circle equation. If any value is there, means we have to remove that value by dividing that value. So x square plus y square. Why? Because 2 by 2 will become as 1. So x minus 5 by 2y. Okay, I think you have understood already. We have done these problems in before section. 2g equals to minus 1. So g equals to minus 1 by 2. 2f equals to minus 5 by 2. F equals to minus 5 by 4. So to find out equal, C is nothing but 3 by 2. Equation of tangent. What's the formula? X1 plus y1 plus g into x plus x1 plus y into y plus y1 plus c equals to 0. Now substitute this. 1 x plus 1 5 by 4 y plus 1 plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. Now x plus y minus x plus 1 by 2 minus 5 into y plus 1 by 4 plus 3 by 2 equals to 0. So 4x plus 4y minus 2 into x plus 1 minus 5 into, okay, minus 2 minus 5y minus 1 plus 6 equals to 0. Then 4x minus 2x is nothing but 2, here 5. So that equals to minus 1 equals to 0. So this is our equation of tangent. Now we have to find out equation of normal. Means I have said in before question, you can use the formula, that means y minus y1 equals to y1 plus f by x1 plus g into x minus x1, or you can write directly, that means perpendicular. In the given equation means we have to convert the normal, means x, here already minus into minus, so minus 2y plus k equals to 0. X plus 2y plus k equals to 0. That equals to means we have to substitute those formulas. Sorry, points. What's the point? 1 comma 1. 1 plus point 1 comma 1. So 1 plus 2 into 1 plus k equals to 0. K equals to minus 3. So x plus 2y minus 3 equals to 0. This is equation of normal. Or you can use by using that formula. Then also you will get same equation only. Okay. So in next section we will discuss remaining problems of exercise 1C of the third Roman. Till now, if you have any comments, you can comment me in the comment box. Okay. And thank you.